Let's discuss the bird's eye view for the patent registration process. Every innovator has an idea or an innovation which needs to be secured from getting copied or being sold in the market. To do so, an inventor must file a patent. So, the next question comes is, what can be patented? Any small idea or an invention can be patented. The only thing required is that it should fulfill the patentability criteria. The Patent Office accepts the patent documents in a specific format, which includes a detailed description of the invention and claims along with relevant drawings. So, what is the process of patent registration? The process includes patent filing, publication, request for examination, examined by the Patent Office, response by the patent attorney, and if the response is satisfactory, the Patent Office grants the patent. Want to know more? Connect with us today. IP Excel. Innovate better.